To add Afterpay to Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and tapping the profile icon located in the top right corner. From the profile menu, select the banking option and then choose the Link Banks option. Next, tap on the Link Bank button and search for Afterpay in the search bar. If you do not see Afterpay in the list, you may need to link your bank account that is connected to Afterpay. To do this, select your bank from the list and enter your online banking credentials to securely link your account. Once your bank account is linked, go back to the Link Banks option and tap on the Afterpay option. You will be redirected to the Afterpay website to authenticate the connection. Enter your Afterpay login credentials and authorize the connection between Cash App and Afterpay. After successfully linking Afterpay to Cash App, you can use Afterpay to make purchases and pay bills directly from the Cash App. To use Afterpay, go to the Cash App home screen and select the payment method you want to use. Choose Afterpay as your payment method and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. When using Afterpay with Cash App, keep in mind that you will need to make repayments on time to avoid late fees. You can set up automatic repayments or make manual payments through the Afterpay website or mobile app. It is also important to note that Afterpay may charge interest on late payments, so it is essential to review the terms and conditions before making a purchase. By following these steps, you can easily add Afterpay to Cash App and start using it to make purchases and pay bills. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and make repayments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges.